How to replace a Shaw Trav'ler GPS antenna. You will need the following tools to replace a GPS antenna: a 7/16 wrench and an adjustable wrench. Press power on the interface box to power the system on. Allow the antenna to raise up off the roof so the arm is at least parallel to the roof. Press and hold power and select on the interface box to power it off. Unplug the interface box from power. On the roof, begin by using the adjustable wrench to loosen the gray Heiko nut holding the GPS cable through the antenna base plate. Remove the 4 7/16 screws holding the access panel in place. Locate the GPS connection under the access panel and disconnect it. Now remove the existing GPS antenna wire from the base and remove the antenna. Feed the cable on the new GPS antenna through the gray Heiko nut piece and into the base. Connect the GPS antenna to the connection under the access panel, then tighten the gray Heiko nut using the adjustable wrench. Replace the access panel and gasket and secure using the 7/16 screws. When installing the new antenna, locate an open area at least 18 inches from either side of the mount base. Place a small dot of sealant at the chosen location and place the GPS antenna on the sealant. Press the antenna in place. Plug the interface box back into power and power the system on. Congratulations, you have successfully replaced your Shaw GPS antenna.